Welcome to my channel. I'm Seren Leone, and today I'm going to give you a detailed tutorial on how I got this minimal natural glam using only Fenty Beauty. I am so glad that you're here because we are going to jump right into this summer Fenty face. You absolutely need to prime your face. Not only is it a protective barrier between your skin and the makeup, but it also helps your makeup last all day. This primer blurs your pores without clogging them, and it also is great with controlling oil. Spread your primer all over your skin for a nice even barrier, and make sure you let it absorb. Fenty Soft Matte Primer is my go-to primer, and it is $32. Okay, now we're moving on to the second step. This is the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Espresso. I'm going to use this to lightly contour. And yes, I'm contouring first because I'm going to underpaint. I have a full detailed video on how to do that technique. I'll leave it here for you. But right now I want you to focus on how light I'm using this. These matchsticks are $26 each. For the third step, I'm going to go ahead and highlight with this Matchstick Shimmer Stick. This is in the shade Trippin'. I was really interested to see how this gold glaze apricot color would look on my skin tone. What do you think? I'm going to blend out that highlight on my face with the Precision Concealer brush in 180. I absolutely love this brush because it truly does give me fingertip precision when I'm blending it out. You can use this for liquid, cream, and powder formulas, and this retails for $26. I'm going to blend this out and move along to the fourth step. So now I'm going to conceal with Suede. I absolutely love their matchsticks for everything, especially concealer, because it gives me a true skin-like finish. For me, the matchsticks are one of the most flexible products that I've worked with, especially from this Fenty line. It's a cream to powder formula, long wear, light as air, layering. Okay, that's what the site says. And I detect absolutely no lies. This is the pattern that I'm going to conceal my face with, and I'm going to blend it down with my Precision Concealer brush. Again, I'm so glad that Trippin', my highlight, doesn't have a lot of, like, it's not glitterily. It's really just a glow. It's not too glittery. So when I'm using the same brush, it's not really affecting, giving me glitter all over my face, which I love. Again, I'm just using a light technique. I'm just kind of tapping and blending, especially around the outer edges of the concealer. I already have a gorgeous glow to my skin, but we are going to move on to the next step. I'm so excited about this fifth step because it's new to me. It's Fenty Beauty's Eavesdrop, their blurring skin tint, and I'm going to use this next. It comes in 25 shades, and I am in the shade 20. I used this before. Check out my previous video. 20 is an excellent skin match for me, and the product is perfect for the technique that I'm using today, which is underpainting. I figured that this combination of Fenty products would give me the perfect skin finish, and I mean, did you just see that blend down? I mean, watch. Not only is this skin tint adjustable and beautiful on my skin tone, but it feels so light. It feels like I have absolutely nothing on my skin right now. When you're out there in that summertime heat, don't you hate it when it feels like your makeup is just melting away? With this makeup routine, it feels so light and you will not have that problem. The product costs $29.50. I am so excited for step number 6. I literally waited to open up Fenty's powder foundation so I could open it up with you guys on camera so we could have a little unboxing moment. This is the shade 400. In order to find your color match in the powder, all you have to do is know your color match in the liquid. And so in the liquid, I'm in between 400 and 420. So for the powder, I chose 400, and the match, you'll see what it's up. So I have another Fenty product that I just wanted to unbox on camera with you guys. This is their Kabuki Buff Foundation Brush 115. The brush that I used before to apply the skin tint was their full-bodied foundation brush 110, but this brush is bigger and it's a full dome shape. I really wanted to use this with the powder foundation to just see what the blend, see what it was giving. And it was giving everything that I needed. This powder foundation was formulated to be long wear, light as air, with no flashback. Also, sweat, humidity, and crease resistant. It's a buildable light to full coverage formula that can be layered. It won't settle into fine lines, clog pores, or cake up, and it reduces the appearance of shine. Beauties, I'm literally just so excited about this Fenty combination that I put together because it truly is that combo for the summertime. This product definitely delivered for me when it claimed to be sweat and humidity and crease proof. Like, I was so happy that the color matched me perfect because like I said before, I unboxed it here. I'm trying it right now for the first time. This product is $36. Okay, beauties, we are on to the next, on to the next. I know you've seen that product before if you've been watching my videos. That is the Fenty Beauty Bronzer in the color Mocha Mommy. Absolutely love this product. I love how it looks against my skin tone. So natural, and it gives me a beautiful color. So I'm just applying this powder where I applied the bronzer all over the face and on my lids to give it some color. This transfer resistant bronzing powder comes in 8 shades and it is $30. Moving on to the 8th step, we're going to work on the lips, of course. I waited to unbox this here with you guys. This is their Gloss Balm Cream in the colors Mauve Wives and Cookie Jar. Today I wanted to try on Mauve Wives because I always wonder about pinks. How is this pink going to look on my skin tone? How is this one going to look on my skin tone? So these cream glosses give you a non-sticky feel and they have vitamin A in them to nourish your lips. Gloss Balm Cream Color Drip Lip Cream is $19. I did want to just put on a brown lip liner because I think I would like the color a little better. So that's what I did. And I'm sorry guys, but this is not a Fenty product. This is a pencil from the beauty supply store. Much love. Okay, so step number 9, I'm gonna highlight again. Yes, I know, I really want a summer glow. I highlighted earlier with Trippin', but now I'm gonna use my Kilowatt Freestyle highlighter. The shades are like a 2-in-1, so the 2 shades that I have are Afternoon Snack and Mo Honey, but the one that I decided to use today was Afternoon Snack. This is a cream to powder hybrid and it will cost you $36. Now I'm moving on to step number 10. This is Fenty's Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. This mascara does a great job at coating my curly lashes all the way black and it really doesn't smudge, so I love that. This mascara is $24. So for the 11th step, I'm going to use my Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. This is in the shade Honey. And if you notice, I'm using the smaller size. The smaller size is $18. I'm using this powder not only to set my under eye and prevent creasing, but I'm also using it to brighten it up. I am also going to drag it down to underneath my nose area because I do sweat in the T-zone. So this helps control the oil. So to pack this setting powder down, I'm taking my concealer brush that I used earlier and I'm just patting it to conceal my pores. So for the 12th step, I'm going to grab my Fenty matchsticks again in the color Espresso, and I'm just going to go down my nose, the bridge of my nose, to create some contour. Beauties, you could stop right here if you like. This is a really natural look and it's perfect for the summertime. But I want to make this look natural glam, so let's add lashes. Now that the lashes are on, my natural glam look is completed. My full Fenty face cost $398, and I just like to add in that I am not sponsored. I bought all of these products with my own money. Fenty Beauty is a luxury brand, and I have to say that I think most of the products are worth it. Okay, beauties, make sure that you like this video and that you subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I'll see you soon in the next video.